This is Samsung Galaxy M11 and this is Realme 5. Galaxy M11 comes with Snapdragon 450 with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage and running Android 10 with One UI 2. On the other hand, Realme 5 comes with Snapdragon 665 with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, Realme 5 running Android 10 with Realme UI 1. And today in this video I am going to Galaxy M11 and Realme 5 speed test. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. After the speed test, I think Realme 5 performed very well because Realme 5 comes with Snapdragon 665. On the other hand, Galaxy M11 also performed very well. Galaxy M11 running Android 10 with One UI 2. So this is all about Galaxy M11 and Realme 5 speed test. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from Shada's Dayout. Allah Hafiz.